Hello everyone, I'm Laurel Marie Hickey. Welcome to What's Blank Got to Do With It. Our What's Blank topic, wallet erosion. So what's wallet erosion got to do with it? In financial terms, wallet erosion is a gradual loss of your purchasing power of your money over time. So how does wallet erosion happen? A number of ways. The three main are inflation, rising costs, and financial decisions. $100 isn't the same $100 that it was before. It doesn't buy you as many things. You don't have as much purchasing power. Inflation. There are so many talking points about inflation, but essentially you're paying more for your favorite goods and your essential services. Increased living costs, your food, your housing, your medical. It costs you more to live today than it did yesterday. The third contributor is financial management, where we are not managing our money effectively. Overspending, not investing wisely. Here are some tips to protect you from erosion. The goal is not to just prevent you from wallet erosion, but also to grow your purchasing power over time. Save strategically. Take advantage of high interest savings accounts while we are still in a high interest savings environment. Absolutely. Diversify your income. It's really great to have multiple streams of income. You have your income, your household income, your family income. There are so many opportunities available to you if you are looking for multiple streams of income. Know that your portfolio, your investment portfolio, is one of those streams of income. So ensuring that you diversify is truly very important. These multiple streams of income create financial stability. Reducing debt is key, and people always wonder which is the best to pay off. It certainly is anything with a high interest rate are the very first things that you should pay out on the short side, the debt side of your balance sheet. So how do you make it all happen? Budgeting. Budgeting. You really have to first know what your expenses are, what your long of your balance sheet, what your short of your balance sheet for sure. You want to have an awareness for what your total health is of your financial structure. But you do want to know what your burn rate, how much is going out the door. So knowing how much you are spending. A really great time to do this is around tax time. If you are compiling all of your statements together, certainly think, okay, if I am summarizing all of my statements, maybe this is a good time to start a really great budget. It's good to cut unnecessary expenses when you are trying to take your money to pay off debt, or you're taking your money and saving it towards a future goal. A couple of other things to look at: the loyalty programs for travel, coupons are absolutely good. Something that we don't talk about often enough, but we really should, it does make a difference on the bottom line, is adopting eco-friendly habits. If you look at energy efficient appliances, look at ways to reduce your utility bills, turn off your lights, not have so many in the household. Think of your water usage as well. I hope that I piqued your interest a little bit on wallet erosion, and specifically ways that you can think about increasing your purchasing power. I am here for all of your questions. I invite you to have a conversation with me. As always, feel free to reach out to me. I'm Laurel Marie Hickey, a portfolio manager and a wealth advisor with Wellington Altus Private Wealth.